That's how you do the lock. You see? Bam! Just like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick little install of crochet butterfly locks. I've been meaning to do this style for so long, and now I finally have the chance to do it. So right now my hair is up in a bun, but it's already been washed, blow dried, and then parted into like the individual parts, so I can be able to individually install these butterfly locks. So I'm gonna do most of my hair, and then I'll come back to you guys when most of it is done. I want to get this style over with, okay? And if I'm trying to record and do my hair at the same time, it's not gonna go as quick as I want it to. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go watch my other videos if you haven't already. And drop a butterfly down below in the comments for the butterfly locks, y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. For you, it would have been like a second. For me, it's been 10,000 hours. But I'm here, I'm back, and I finished most of my hair. All I have is these 4 braids in the front. Hopefully you can see them. Now I guess I'm gonna show you how to do them. So first, let me see. So first of all, let me show you what kind of hair I'm using. I'm using the Tress butterfly locks in 24 inches in the color 1B, and this is how they look. This is for right here, the exact number I need. So how they look exactly like butterfly locks, and then they have the little loop at the top for you to crochet them. You see the loop? But when you open the package, the loop don't look this big. It don't. I'm gonna show you how it look. Like, I don't understand why they made it like that, but it's like crazy. So this is how big the loop first looks when you get in the package. It's this tiny. The rest of the crochet like can't even fit through that hole, so it's just like, why even do it like that? So we're gonna have to get it to this big. So what I do, I just take it and just open it, and then just move it around, move it. Just make sure it opens to get like a big enough hole so you could fit the rest of the butterfly lock through. So that's what I do. And before I even started my hair, I did this to most of the butterfly locks. See now? See how big the loop is now? So I did this to most of my locks before I even started my hair, so I wouldn't have to do a lock and then stop and then try to open up the loop again, and then over and over again. Just did them all at once so I could just get through my hair real quickly. So now that the loop is open, I have my crochet hook, and let me put this here in the back. So what I'm gonna do is have the hoop. Let me part this over here. I wish I had like different color hair so I could really show you like how it look. So I have this loop here, and for my hair, I just twisted it twice at the bottom so it can be able to like unravel a little bit so it won't be so tight. I didn't want these, see? You see how I have this little loop at the bottom? I didn't want my hair to be that tight because I didn't want it to look clean, I guess. I wanted it to look more natural, more laid back, and not like this thing is like pulling out my scalp, okay? So I take the loop, I put the crochet needle underneath my braid, right through it, right through my braid, and then I hook the loop on like that, close the latch, and pull the butterfly lock through. Once I do that, I put the crochet hook down, I open the loop again, you see? And then I'll pull the butterfly lock through, and it doesn't really, for me, it doesn't really matter which side the thing is on, so I'll just pull it through all the way. Make sure you can see. so it can become attached like that. So it's like attached. I'm pretty sure you can see it's attached. So now this is where the tricky part kind of is. So we're gonna try to get the braid through the butterfly lock, okay? So now I'm just gonna try to force the crochet hook through there. Sorry for my nails, I did just cut them. So now I'm just gonna put the hook through the hair. Make sure the hook is more in the middle rather than on one side, because if it's on one side, it's just gonna shoot out the hair. For example, like I just did with this, like we don't want it to look like that, okay? So what we're gonna do is we try again. You're gonna put it through right there and try to get it all the way out through the top. Now you see how it's a lot of hair on there? So now we're gonna take our hair, hook it on there like that, or however you wanna hook it on. Hook it. Sorry if you hear the train in the background, but you're gonna hook it on there, close the latch, and then pull your hair through. You see? You see how my hair is through? And then you're just gonna pull it through like that. And then now you can see my braid and like all the extra hair. We're just gonna push that up so you won't see all of that. And then bam, the front part is already done. See? Okay, now we're just gonna continue. Put the hook through again, like so. Keep it going all the way to the top. Bam, it's out the other end. You see how much hair is on here? Then you're gonna hook the hair again. Then just pull it through. See? And then whenever you pull it through, just push it up a little bit so it could look a little bit more like, you know? And then we're just gonna keep doing that until all the hair is hidden within the lock. This is my hair, this is the lock. Pull that through, and then I just have this little tiny piece of hair. I just pull that down and then push it up. And that's how, and as you can see, the lock is not so tight on my hair right here. This is exactly how I wanted my hair. So now that's how you do the lock. You see? Bam! Just like that. I'm gonna do the next one. I'm not gonna talk that much. I'm gonna just let you watch. I'm gonna try to be close so you can see how it goes. I'm gonna explain one more, just so y'all can get the gist of what I'm doing. I look so pretty. Y'all hype y'all own selves up. It'll get you far. So now I got the loop right here, and then I got my hair right here. The crochet hook underneath. Hook that on there. Take that through there. Then you tie it, basically. What is this? Dust? Anyways, put it through there. Make sure it's tight. Now the hair is locked. Now I'm gonna put a needle through the hair, in the middle of the hair. I'm gonna put a needle through the hair. Sometimes it might be a little tight to put the needle through, but just try to work your way in there. That's why I was struggling the last time. Put it through there. Loop it. Hook your hair on there so you can pull your hair through. Hopefully that works, because sometimes it don't. Ugh. Now my hair right here is through, and this is my hoop of the hair. I'm just gonna pull it through. Ooh, make sure, and then push it up at the top as well, but not too tight. See, now my hair and the lock is right there. I'll put the crochet through again. Hook your hair on again. Pull it through, and then like that. Hook it through again. Not hook it through, but I was probably looking weird. And like that. Pull it through. Ouch. See how much hair I have left? I'm gonna just do this one real quick. And then like so, like that. And that's it. I'm done with the hair. That's how it looks. I don't know if I'm really loving like the volume of the hair that much. Let me back y'all up. Yeah, I don't know if I'm really loving the volume of the hair. I usually don't like when hair's that big, but we're gonna see. I probably gotta like lay down or something. Let's see. I have to figure out some styles to do with this hair as well. But I feel like I look crazy, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna try to spice it up and try to come back to you, but that's probably not gonna be for a day or so. So yeah, I'll talk to you when I've dolled up this style and when I feel cute. So yeah, this is the end for now.
2 days later.
Okay guys, so this is the end result of the butterfly locks tutorial. After that last clip that I showed you, I actually like waited a day or something like that, and I went back in to my hair and took some locks out to make them okay. So I took some locks out because I felt like it was just too big and too thick, and I could not maneuver the hair the way I wanted to. So I had to take some locks out, and as you can see, it's much flatter and thinner now, and not as much as it was before. I really recommend for people to do if the hair seems like it's too much for you, because it was too much for me and I just could not handle it. I didn't want to handle it, so I took some out and I put some individual braids together, like I grouped them together, and I reinstalled the crochet locks.
If that seemed a little confusing to you, what I meant was that I had 2 braids and I undid those braids and made those 2 braids 1 braid, and then I reinstalled the butterfly lock on that 1 braid. So it wasn't 2 locks anymore, it was just 1. So I did that to multiple braids on my head.
And that's how I got it to like this more of a slimmed down type, you know, natural look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go watch my other videos if you haven't already. And yeah, bye.